Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this video frame transition on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to grab a few videos here. I'm just going to grab 3. You can grab like 4 or 5. And I'm just going to essentially create like a collage of pictures here. Or like videos, sorry. I'm just going to grab 3 at first. And I'm just going to kind of place them here. This one, where's the other one? Okay, this one is on top. I'm probably going to just crop it out with the mask to create like this kind of size. So I'm just going to go to mask and I'm just going to crop that out. You can lay this out like however you want it to be, of course. Like that. And you're just going to get one more video. So actually I'm just going to select everything first, and then I'm going to right click, create compound clip. I'm going to place on top here, and I'm going to place a video underneath, maybe like this one. And I'm also going to go back here and I'm going to add in a black stock video on top. Freeze frame it. Let's delete the rest. Like so. Okay. And we're also going to size it up to fit that. Okay. So, actually you're going to want to place these on top. Sorry about that. Okay. So then I'm just going to scale it kind of down here, and I'm going to make this a little bit bigger so it looks like there's a frame. You can even use the mask button here like so. Actually, we do want to put this at the very bottom. Sorry about that. And we're going to actually scale it up like this. Can I okay, sorry. And then we have to select the overlay and then we mask that. So select rectangle and we're going to reverse that. And then we're going to place it kind of smaller here in the middle. And then we're going to select that black rectangle and we're actually going to reverse that. Let's just make the size the same first, and then I'm just going to adjust the frame. Okay, and then what we're going to do next is we are going to select this, add a keyframe at the beginning, and at the end we're going to make it bigger, like this big. And then on the mask here we're going to do the same thing. We're going to add a keyframe at the beginning, and at the end we're going to make it super big as well. So go back to this one and delete the mask. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.